Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn simple way to find linear and circular convolution. First we talk about the linear convolution. Suppose we have taken two sequences x1 of n and x2 of n. X1 of n is 1 2 3 4, x2 of n is 1 2 minus 1 1. Suppose for simplicity we have taken both sequences of same length, which is 4, n1 is 4, n2 is 4. You can take different length and was some different length, and one suppose 3 and 2 4. The method will be same. Okay, the output, the number of samples in the output will be equal to n1 plus n2 minus 1. Output means the convolution of both sequences, which is 7. Now we are talking about the only linear convolution. Okay, so lower limit of the output or convolution of both sequences will be the sum of the lower limit of two sequences, which is 0 plus 0 is 0, and the upper limit will be 3 plus 3 will be 6. Okay, sum of upper limit. So how to find the linear convolution? There are two methods. First is sliding strip method. Okay, first is sliding strip method. So in this method, what we do, we draw one vertical line and we draw one horizontal line. In vertical line we write the elements of x1, and in horizontal line write element of x2. 1 2 minus 1 1. This is minus 1 and this is plus 1. Then multiply element of x1, first element of x1 with all the elements of x2. 1 2 minus 1 1. Then multiply next element of x1 with all elements of x2, so multiply 2 with all elements. 2 4 2 minus 2, 2 1 2. Similarly do with 3 and 4. 4 8 minus 4 4. Now you draw strip like this. Okay, now you add, now you write it or add the elements in same strip. Here only one element, so you write 1. Next will be the sum of two elements, 2 to 4. Next will be sum of these elements, 3 4 7 minus 1 6. Next will be 6 plus 4 10 minus 2 8 plus 1 9. Next will be 8 plus 2 10 minus 3 7. Next will be minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. Next will be 4. So this is the linear convolution of two given sequences. The next method is sum by column method. Sum by column method. In this, what we do, we write the first sequence x1 of n, which is 1 2 3 4. The next now write next sequence 1 2 minus 1 1. Now what you do, you multiply first element of x2 with all elements of x1. 1 2 3 4. You can take x1 x2 interchangeably, you can. Okay, multiply 1 with all elements of x2, then multiply next element of x2 with all element of x1, but this time you slide by one element. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. Now you multiply next element of x2 to all elements of x1, but this time again slide by one element. Minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 2 is minus 1 2 is minus 2. Okay, now multiply 1 with all elements of x1, but this time again slide by one element. 2 3 4. Now you add it. 1 2 2 4 3 4 7 minus 1 6. Okay, 9 7 minus 1 4. So you can see both result is same. So this, using any one of the two method, you can find linear convolution. I think this method is more simpler, sliding strip method. Okay, so prefer that one. How to find circular convolution? Circular convolution. So again there is two method. One first you find linear convolution, then add aliasing with it and find circular convolution. How? Suppose we have found linear convolution 1 4 6 9 7 minus 1. Okay, we have found linear convolution. Now we know in circular convolution the number of samples in the final convolved sequence will be equal to maximum of n1 and n2. So n1 is 4, n2 is 4, so maximum will be 4. So here no problem. Yeah, okay. So no padding will be required, but the maximum is 4. So what will you do? So you take 4 sequences, and the remaining 3 sequence you write below the first 4 sequence. 7 minus 1 4. Now you add it. 7 1 is 8, 7 plus 1 8, 4 minus 1 3, 6 4 10 and 9. This is your circular convolution. But for that you have to find linear convolution. But in the next method of to find circular convolution, you don't need to find linear convolution, which is matrix method. What will you do in matrix method? You write x1 of n, which is 1 2 3 4, and again okay, so you are finding x1 convolve with x2. So this time you rotate it, you write 4 in the top in next column, and then again write the you are doing like this, 4 on the top, then again 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, so what you are doing, you are putting this last element on the top and again writing the same 1 2 3, then again doing same, put 3 on the top, then 4 1 2, same thing you do 2 3 4 1. How many times? Till the number of samples in the x2 you had 4 elements, so 4 times here you have to rotate and write this the same way I have written here. So x2 is 1 2 minus 1 1. Now you multiply, you have to do matrix multiplication. You can do that. 1 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8, 3 minus 1 is minus 3, and then 2 1 is 2. And similarly you have to do 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus 3. Okay, on 3 2 4 minus 1 plus 4, and 4 plus 6 minus 2 and 1. Okay, now you add it, you will find here 8, same result. 2 plus, okay, here you will find 3, here you will find 3 plus 4 4 7 4 11 minus 10, and then here you will find 10, then here 4 plus 6 10 minus 1 9. Same result you are getting. So in my point of view, if you want to find linear convolution, prefer the sliding strip method. If you want to find circular convolution, prefer this matrix method. I hope you got the both methods, and if you got any doubt in this method, please write into the comment box. Okay, thank you.